So guys, welcome back to another video. We're racing here at Bushnell. I'm super pumped about today. There's a lot of people. It's really nice today. When we were on our way here, it was like cloudy and I was like, oh my gosh. But it ended up turning out pretty good. But it's like muggy out and it's like hot, so.
Ew.
It always says we have 2 practices on like the schedule, but we always end up doing 1. So we'll do the 1 practice and then qualifying, heat race, and then the final. So overall, there's just a lot of people here today. There's like the dirt bikes and then there's us, so it's a lot today. But yeah, we've got everything set up on the cart, so just doing a little bit of touching up and stuff like that. But we have a special guest. He's been so helpful. Come on in. Come walk to me.
Walk with me.
Walk with me. This is James Inscoe, who's helping so much. What do you have to say?
Glad to be here. There's so many Carters. It's just so hot.
Cut the camera. But we'll see you guys after practice. So guys, we're fixing to go out for practice. Yes. Super pumped. We've got all these people here today. All right, so let's hope everything goes well, and we'll see you after this.
Stop it. Get some help.
What happened? Yeah, I'm good.
My wheel fell off.
Oh my God.
This one's gonna be a bitch to lift.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
We can lift everything all 4. I think we need all four of us to lift it up. I thought we were going to put it down. Grab on that corner, I'll grab on this one. Let's go. Please, that way. Yeah. You.
Oh my God, it's really heavy.
I got it. Wait. Can I roll, Harley?
Yeah, I can roll.
What happened? That's one heavy car.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Sorry.
Good ride with you.
All right, guys. So before we went here yesterday, we took the engine off to make sure everything was good, to clean the cart and stuff. And I don't know, I'm the one who put the engine on, so I don't know if I just didn't tighten them very good, the engine mount or whatever, because I hit a curb and the whole thing just moved and then my chain just got really loose. And I was like looking around on my left and I'm like, because I heard it from my left side and I'm like, what is going on? Like my engine is not on this side, so like what is rattling? So I went into it, I had to let Luke pass me, so I had to come off. And luckily Pedro, the guy that's in my class, well, not luckily, his tire came off, but we got to ride back together, so that was cool. But yeah, so that's how my practice went. I only got maybe 3 laps in, so that sucks, bro. That really sucks. But hopefully everything goes well for qualifying. We don't have new tires today, but it's all right. We got the gear switched. Hopefully the engine doesn't move this time. Stay on the track and it won't move. But yeah, so goal is to stay on the track, lay apex the turns, kind of slow it down a little bit. Overall, hopefully everything goes well, and we'll see you guys after qualifying. Okay, guys, so we just got done qualifying 5th, as usual, I guess, since that's always, it's always predictable now. I'm always 5th, but it's okay. I'm still on the inside, so not too worried about it. The turns on this layout, I just, the last couple turns, I cannot get them right. I don't know, honestly. But hopefully I'll get it down because qualifying was my practice. But let's hope everything goes good in the heat race. That's basically all I gotta say. So we'll have to see. I don't know. But if you guys like this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stick around by the end. Hopefully something good happens. So, yes. So, as you guys can see, it's raining for the final two, so that really sucks. Like, why? So, for my heat, I got third. Made my way up to third. Well, actually, I got second. Or I made my way up to second, but lost it, so not the best. Well, actually, it is good, because I'm third. I'm on the inside. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's definitely slowed down a little bit, so.
That's good, I guess.
But it's still like, there's a lot of pedals on the truck. Sorry, guys. Oh, if you haven't noticed, I got a new mic. Yes. Hopefully you guys can hear me better, too. And I don't know if I'm like, when I put it away from like my mouth and stuff, like I'm always moving around with my hands. I don't know why, but I always do. So hopefully that doesn't sound too weird. I'm not sure yet.
Dancing on the edge of reality, caught in the spell of this magnetic gravity. In the endless fantasy, we lose all sanity. Nothing else matters in our electric city.
So, yeah, but hopefully it gets dry before I go out. I know that's a little selfish, but I'm terrible in the rain, guys. But yeah, hopefully we come home with a podium. Maybe, maybe not. But, oh. What the heck? No way. Alright guys, so you probably already saw what happened. I was running pretty decent. I mean, I lost first, but I was still secured in second because there was a huge gap behind me. But like, I don't know what happened. I honestly don't. I guess my engine just decided it wasn't gonna work. So it almost like when it bogs, but it just stayed there. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just had no power. There's a huge gap between, me and third, like huge. And unfortunately, I was like, maybe I can stick it. I can stay out here. It'll be okay. There's only a couple laps to go. But no, they caught up to me so quick. Racing, I guess, but it's not like that. I don't know. That should not happen. Thank you so much to James. He helped so much today looking at my footage, teaching me to give good feedback. So that really, it'll help once I get better at it and explaining what's going on. But it's helping so much, so thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. It's okay. You have downs and then you have ups in racing. It's just the way it is. But we'll see you guys whenever the next race, or whenever. We'll see you guys when we see you guys. Yep, we have another special guest. Come on, Mason. Hi.
Hi.
What place did you finish?
Second.
Let's go. I would have finished second, but I didn't. Are you gonna say subscribe to Chicks on Wheels?
Subscribe to Tricks on Wheels and Pool Party Racing.
Yeah. Subscribe, guys. Yeah. Woo.